Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. How's it going? It's been a few days since the last stream. Well, sadly, today we got the same situation since we are inside a bearish market condition. So once again, we got a large range Asia session. That's really not ideal, but I'll see if I can catch some scalping. If not, then we just talk about trading. So how are you? Okay, let's take a look on the vote. The bias for London session today: 54% bullish, 23% bearish, and 23% neutral. So half of you are looking for bullish for this London session. Morning, morning. So you can see in ES, friendly reminder, remember to roll over to the new contract. Right now it's NQH 2026 and ESH 2026. So don't trade on the old contract. Yes, with the Asia low, while NQ didn't, which created a relative equal low here, which is very suspicious. But we got a midnight opening price, this orange line here, and also a 1 hour FVG here. We bullish. Everyone say, I would love to look for long if we got the setup, but right now it's a bullish SMP with this ESN and Q, but like no, I would just wait a little bit because like for example right now we are here, right? The price is here, which is in the middle of the range of this consolidation. Even this is a valid bullish SMT, we're too late to enter. So I'll just wait for another chance. You don't trade New York. I trade New York, but I don't live stream at that time because it's like evening for me. So no, I just trade. I don't live stream at that time. Only English stream. Yeah, of course, of course. Live stream is always English. Did someone take a screenshot about some haters saying I'm acting like a Westerner because I'm speaking in English instead of my first language, which is insane because this YouTube channel was always in English. So I mean on the first day when this live stream begins, it's always in English. And I thought English is an international language, isn't it? There will be NFP today, still going to trade this session. I will see if I can get anything. I mean, not like, I mean, for the whole December. The whole December is not like the usual trading session. So if I have to say, I would say the whole December is not suitable for beginner to trade. But it's not bad to tape read, right? I mean, I'm trying to like live stream more. So even if it's NFP, we can tape reading. Is your mentorship is going to be in English or Cantonese? Well, actually, at first I was like thinking of English, no, Cantonese only, but like so many people DM me and submit support tickets said that they want it in English, so I'll consider it. I mean, I can just do both. Why not? Why not just do both, right? But it will be a separate video if that's English. And if you chose to watch in English, you can watch the Cantonese and vice versa. That will be slightly different if it's English and if it's Cantonese, because like I'm gonna explain things in a different way. Where are you from? Hong Kong. Hong Kong, from Hong Kong, Hong Konger. The volatility has been crazy. Yeah. I mean, I think that's a good thing that I skipped the December. But I try to log in some trades because like the inactivity rule for perform funded account. Because of that, I did lose a few funded accounts on funding ticks because I forgot about the inactivity rule. So right now I was thinking at least trade 1 to 2 days in a week. So, and I want to like stay away from the market too long. I want to get familiar with it. I actually made a post on my YouTube channel about the training camp details, but like this live stream is for like trading for market, so I don't want to turn this live stream into a training camp promotion. So where are you guys come from? I guess like at this time right now is early morning for the North America, so I guess mainly from Europe and Asia. Sweden, Norway, Taiwan, States, Scotland, China, Dubai. Oh, you mean me enjoying Dubai? Yeah. Hong Kong, India. Wow. What is that? I think I know what that is. Okay. We see some retracement here. Let me see. We are high time frame bearish, so very bearish. I would say I won't insist to take a long trade because it's gonna be a counter trend, right? Only if there's a risk reward ratio is great and it's worth a try, then we try to scalp. You're in Dubai. Okay, that's great. Hmm. Well, I can expect this is gonna be a boring, boring London session. But that's why I live stream, right? So we all won't take any trades out of boredom. You took a long at M5 IFVG here, right? You mean this one? I see. I personally prefer NQ to sweep at least some of the liquidity first. Yeah, I would rather miss a trade. Since, it's December and it's also NFP day, market's been very bearish. So I want to be more cautious if I want to take any long setup. And patience. Patience is the key. Gold strip, Asia low. Okay, so that is today's high impact news. We got a lot of things at 8:30. Also PMI at 9:45. This is all Eastern time, okay? We got CPI on Thursday. This is a milestone. This is a milestone. If I didn't see any server, I would just take reading. Do you recommend taking Apex 50K or 100K account? Well, right now they're doing 90% off promotion, right? And all the account size in the same price. And from 25K, if I didn't remember wrong, let me see. 25K to 100K are all $65 for the lifetime PA fee. So I would say it's just the same. If the costs are the same, then I think 100K is better because you can get more payout. The drawdown to profit target ratio is different, but I will only see depends on the cost, right? If I have to pay higher cost for a worse ratio, then I probably will pass it. But since they got the same cost, so if I got this price, I would choose 100K. Chris, hello. Are the rules the same? Yeah. The trailing The trailing thresholds are different. How long does it take to pass a 100K account? 1 day. What are you talking about? They all got 1 day pass. You can pass it in 1 day. And you are gonna pass it in 1 day. And you're not gonna pass it in 1 month. It's a bit cold here. I thought there's no winter in Dubai. That sucks. Okay. I mean, this. Let me see. Okay, we got equal. No, I'll just let it go. No, I'm not chasing it. Well, I did hesitate when I see some opportunities, but like just like what I mentioned, December plus NFPV plus CPI is coming. I just want to be cautious. Winter's about to start? Really? So January is gonna be cold? For real? I gotta get some jacket. I mean, I only got soft sleeve clothes and only one cardigan in my closet because I thought it's gonna be hard. Ecolo Ascendano? Oh, you mean this one? Yeah. Just wait, patiently waiting. Patience, consistency, and discipline. These are the key. Do you typically place one order per day? Is that maximum loss limit? I don't have a limit for order, like how many trades a day, but I did get $1 a month for my daily loss limit, which is not like forced from the platform because, for example, Apex they don't have daily loss limit, but for myself, I will set a daily loss limit for myself. So for example, it's 1,000, 2,000, or $3,000. If I hit that amount, I will stop trading, or at least trade another account. I won't trade the same account because if I continue to trade the same account, I will have that mindset that I want to cover the losses. And on TraderVay or on NinjaTrader, I will see the negative balance, right? But if I change to another account, for example, I was trading Apex and then I log out and log into like Tradify, the daily account balance is still zero, so I can start trading again with a like neutral mindset. Tomorrow going to be a 400 points move. Yeah, it's probably. Let's see. I gotta say here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Like this is so smooth. So I'm not saying tomorrow or this week or this month that price gonna come to here, but eventually price gonna come here because it's just too smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the relative equal high here. So let's see when will price go there. Visit Global Village. I'm too far and too many people. I thought you're trading all firm by copying, or some of the platform you can copy, because like if you're trading a live account on that platform, for example like TBT or Tradify, you can only log into one platform. So I can log in with TraderWay and NinjaTrader, or TraderWay and TradingView. So I can copy. I can only copy between the same platform, because I can connect them to a third-party trade copier. And also for TPT, like they don't have consistency rule. So I tend to trade them during the session, I gotta say. Because I know I can look for a large volatility, like a large move, and it won't hurt my consistency for those funded accounts. So for those asking for the details of the training camp, I'll show you. So I'm actually going to launch a prop trader training camp next year in January. And so what's included in that training camp? We will have 12 lessons in total, which will start from the beginning, start from the basic, and then to more complicated and something that you need more knowledge and skills to learn. So start from the beginning and to the end. And the deadline will be, the enrollment deadline will be December 31st. You want the link? Just want to tell you one thing. Remember to use the discount code, okay? Because just like Apex, they're doing 90% off. But if you buy it in the no discount price, gonna be crazy. You want the pin. So yes, I think I sent out the link. Wow. Well, you can see the details in the poster, but in case the wordings is too small, so I'll just show you once again here on a Microsoft Word. And for those who enroll before 26th of December, they will get free 2 months premium membership for it. And I'll close the whole application on the end of December because I probably won't do it again. It's just, I need to spend so much time on it. What is the premium membership? The premium membership is gonna be like a monthly subscription. And only those who join the training camp can join the premium membership. Because I don't want someone who knows nothing, like didn't learn anything, and join the premium membership because they can't follow what we are doing. You have to at least learn something before joining the community. Live training or record videos. It's gonna be recorded because there's two languages. I mean, if it's live, can you understand Cantonese or can you okay with the whole English lessons, right? Of course, it's videos. It's not live, but we got live Q&A session. And I know it, I mean, I've seen it before. When inside the premium membership, I was doing live stream and everyone have different questions when I was like teaching something. But all those questions is like basic question. And if you're an advanced trader, but you have to spend time to listen to those basic questions, you'll be going crazy. Trust me. And for videos, you can replay it. You can pause it. You have subtitles. And I will get prepared like better. That's why I decided to use the videos instead of live stream. Any chance to meet you one-to-one for 1 hour training? No. But doing this training camp already use up all my time. I can. If I have over 1-on-1, bro, my life is screwed. How long is the training camp? It's gonna be 12 lessons in total. And yeah, so at least one lesson a week, but actually it will be faster. It's probably 2 to 3 lessons a week. It depends on the progress of the students because, like for example, if they find it very complicated, then I may add more like side lesson. So like L2.1 to like make it simpler.個 cam 係咪開一次同嗰個 VI code 係咪？我暫時淨係諗住開一次，我冇諗住再太嘥時間啦，因為。So what is the difference for the VIP group and the cam? Is like the premium membership is a monthly subscription thing. So it's like a trading community. You can interact with me. 今日都是唔做 trade，唔係啊，等緊咯。 不過我睇你應該係想嚟搞事嘅，係咪？加嚿屎喺我隔離真係搞事啦。So I just spot a hater coming to my stream. Well, thank you for like increasing my ad fee, my ad benefits, and also my build. But you are timeout. Funny. I think it might go up or it might go down. What is that? What is that statement? You think it might go up or it might go down? Yeah, of course, of course. What is that? Or it won't move, or it's just consolidate. That's a funny statement, though. Two to three lessons per Sanskrit. I would say at least two. Like 3 lessons is kind of, you know what? Because like inside the premium membership, I try to upload some videos, but not everyone watch it. So if I put 3 lessons in 1 week and people can catch up the progress, I mean, it's not helping them, right? It's not helping me too, because I have to explain everything again and again. So not too rush, but not too slow. You have seen me taking 4 mini for a 50-point move. What is the risk management of this type of trade? Your stop loss. Your stop loss. You have a stop loss for every trade, and you have to calculate. For example, for that trade, how many points is your stop loss? Is that 10 points, 20 points, or how many is that? If it's like 10 points, you have to multiply for 4 contracts. So that is your risk for that trade. Do you adjust to the student like if they're already an advanced trader trying to improve? Yeah, of course. The link is on the top. I pinned that link. And for those who really want to join, I hope you have commitment for yourself first. You really want to improve your trading skill, you want to get better, instead of looking for get rich quick scheme. If that is you, don't join. But if you really want to grow as a successful trader, you can look into the details. And remember to use the discount code, okay? I saw people want to pay me in the original price. Well, I would say thank you, but I offer you a discount, as always, at the very beginning. Something goes up may go down. What is that? What is that? How often do you do this live session? Well, it depends. It depends. I try to do more, obviously, but first thing is this is December. This is vacation period. And I try to make a routine right now because I'm just relocated to a new country and I just moved into a new apartment. So everything is kind of messy right now. And once I settle down, I find my routine, get everything stable, I think I can do more. Guys, remember to use the discount code, okay? Remember to use the discount code. If you pay in full price, just like Apex is doing 90% off, but you pay in full price, that is, well, I appreciate your kindness, but I will kindly suggest you use a discount code. And the discount code is START, START, code START. Okay, finally we got something we want. Price we chase, getting close to the liquidity pool. When, in 1 minute, this candle is quite like relatively large inside this range. We'll see. How many contracts do you typically trade to pass TPT challenge? It depends on the account size. Okay, wow, we are so bearish. And let me see, we got a wick here. We got 1 hour average here. Let's see. Unless they got a $20, 75, 60. Let me see, in the 15 seconds. No, it's still bearish right now, No, not yet. I'm not going to do anything. Because if you look into the lower time frame, it's still showing bearish. I need more confirmation right now. Because we're doing counter trend, if we're trying to like long or do anything. Yeah, it's so bearish right now. I need to be cautious. I need more confirmation. We can't just like drum in because of relatively high, third shoot, FVG. Let me see. 90, 10 points, 10 points, 12 points. Not yet. Candle body close above. We need candle body close above. Yes, you can watch the recording if you miss anything. What is the duration for 1 hour? At least 1 hour. At least 1 hour. But like I didn't start it yet, so I can't tell you exactly the time. But at least 1 hour. But you won't be like too long. You can't do a 5-hour lesson. I mean, not only me, I'm gonna be tired, but you will also get distracted if you like stay focused on the computer or the monitor for too long. Oh my god. I need more confirmation, Not yet. We're still staying inside. Patience. We got around 10 points, which is acceptable, very acceptable, but patience. If the candle body goes like here or inside, that means not valid yet. Patience. So right now I'm looking at a 15-second chart on my another computer because there's some small movement. between candlesticks will tell you more information. Patience. This looks good. This looks quite good. Patience. Guys, do you think this is worth a try? Not yet. Not yet. Patience. Patience. Still inside. Still inside. No, didn't close above it. Didn't close above it. full time 做 trade 使唔使要好多成本？你希望首先要有即係儲蓄咗先啦，當然一定程度嘅儲蓄。即係假設如果你冇收入幾個月你都 OK 嘅嗰種程度嘅儲蓄。No, no. Glad we're patient. So glad we're patient. See? Oh my god. If I was being FOMO, if I want to trade price, I would probably enter here, right? I'm so glad that we're so patient right now. Yeah, I'm waiting for this, but price, the candlestick still goes inside this CB. You took it long? Why? I already told you we have to wait until candle body goes above it. Patience. But I did hesitate. You can hear my voice. I was thinking, should I take it? Is it worth it? And I would say, like, saying it out loud is kind of one thing that help you to trade, because you will know what exactly are you thinking, right? For example, I was thinking this may be a potential setup, but I need the requirement is the candle body close above it, which it didn't. So I didn't enter, and we didn't get any losses. Patience. And for short, I won't take a short here. I know it looks like bearish P area that you can enter short, but bro, we got relative equal high here. We are so bearish that we are in discount of the range. So I can short here, and I won't. That's a good thing for looking at the 15-second chart. You know, I got so many details for the 15-second chart. And it didn't mean you have to trade the 15 seconds, right? You can see all the PD arrays I got is here is 1 minute PD array. But looking at smaller time frame is helping you to gain more information for the market condition. Were you trying to go long? Didn't you watch the live stream? I mean, I've been talking for like 45 minutes. You didn't even listen what I talked, what I said. Why are you even asking this question? How to overcome FOMO? I know it sounds like trash talk, but it's patience. Okay. We get another chance, maybe. We'll see. Let me take a look on ES. Yes, got the same situation too. 74. All right, let me take a look. 15 seconds. Okay, I think it's time. I think it's worth a shot right now. Okay, let me fix everything first. You will get the chart. No worries. You'll get it. Is that here? I think you got it. You got it here? Can you see it? Let me adjust everything first. So I think it's worth a try, and even if it's a loss, it's 15 points. It's a 15 points. And the reason, the reason why I set the stop loss there is because it's under 15 seconds and also a 30 seconds bullish FVG. So I adjusted a little bit. So like you can see, at first I was setting 12 points, but after seeing the chart, I don't have to stick with standard 12 points. I can just move a few points, right? It's not like I'm adding 100 points for the stop loss. It's just adding 3 to 4 points to match with the chart. It's totally acceptable. And yeah, this is gonna be the relative equal high will be what I'm looking for right now. So it will be 50 points, around 49.5, so 50 points if we get it. And I will adjust my stop loss if price keep going up. If not, then if price go back to hit my stop loss, then this is gonna be a 15 point stop loss. And this is the risk for the trade. This is a counter trend, yes, it's very bearish, and this is a counter trend, exactly. But we've been patient. We didn't chase anything, we didn't get FOMO. And we know I can short here, right? For we're in this kind of the larger range, and we got relative equal high here. So we're not gonna go short because we can short here. But if you already in a short position, that's another thing, because you're probably trading in a larger time frame. ICT breakaway gap. I'm not so sure. I mean, breakaway gap is not an ICT concept. Breakaway gap is just a technical analysis. Why don't you hold a live in Cantonese? Because my live stream is always in English. Always. When this channel start, is an English channel. When my first live stream start, is an English live stream. And I was doing it in goodwill to try to make some Cantonese content, but instead of people appreciate my effort, hatred is increasing. To be honest, I'm thinking of not doing Cantonese content on YouTube anymore, because I would say it's not worth it. Like, because I didn't see much ICT content on Cantonese, that's why I would say, okay, wait, why not? Let's do it, right? Because when I first started to learn ICT concept, I wish there is ICT trader in Hong Kong, which I think there are some, but I can't find it because they are not posting anything online. That's why I go to Twitter and look for some ICT trading community. But obviously, people are not gonna appreciate your effort. It's gonna increase the hate. Well, in that case, then why am I gonna do that, right? I'll just do my thing. I'm not gonna waste time on idiots or trash talker. Okay, I will adjust my stop loss soon. I want this candlestick go above this high first. We got a 1 minute. I'm busy. So even if I adjust my stop loss, my stop loss will be under this BC. So I will still wait a little bit. And if you're in this trade, remember to take partial, okay? Because I can take the risk. I can take the whole losses, but it won't hurt me. But if you're like in some financial burden, or you really need to pass this eval or get this payout, you better protect your capital, preserve your capital, because I can take more risks. That's why I tend to not take partials, as this is not like 100-point trades, it's like 50-point, right? But if you're a beginner, remember to take partial. I'm still waiting to, oh, I didn't show it here, I'm sorry. Still here. I want to wait a little bit. Yeah, I think it's time. Let's do it. So I move it here, move it here. It's a little bit risky though. It's kind of too close. Because in 30 seconds and 15 seconds is still bullish FVG under the stop loss. But you know what? I wanna like build a good trading habit and build a good example for beginners, because I don't know who is watching, right? Some of you may not know much about trading. And if I show you that I'm not moving my stop loss, you may just copy the same. And I don't want that. And everyone's got like different risk management. My turn. Yeah. Okay, so people are telling me I don't have to successfully use candles because those who gonna watch will watch it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, thank you. Really appreciate. I mean, this means a lot to me. Thanks for those kind words. And of course, if you are inside my free Discord, you can always ask me questions in Cantonese or even Mandarin. It was cool to see you enter trade. I always enter trade. I mean, if I see something, I will enter trade, okay? But I don't have to enter trade. You don't have to. We can just tape read. Especially this is December. You can totally tape read. What's the difference between wealth charts and rhythmic plan? Don't use wealth charts. And rhythmic is, I will highly recommend you to use TradeAway and NinjaTrader instead of rhythmic. But you can compare those trading platforms yourself. Me, myself, is using NinjaTrader and TradeAway. I mean, I can't move my stop loss to break even right now. It's too close. I think we will only be safe when price pass this bearish FVG, 1 minute bearish FVG, and turn it into IFVG. We will be safe. I would say we will be safe. Right now, who knows, right? Maybe price gonna react with this large CB and go down again. It's totally possible and reasonable, okay? But as long as we got a stop loss, high stop loss, and we got risk management, we're not doing 10, 20 contract, right? It's just 2 contract. So you'll be fine. And you don't have to worry about losing trade, because as a trader, we all took losing trades. It's part of the game. It's the cost of trading. Just like at the end of the day, your profit is like larger than your losses, then you're a profitable trader. So I know some of you may concern about win rate, the problems of win rate, but if you see all those chart I post and also the trade sealer trade data I post, I got like 47% win rate, but I make $1 million. I make that $1 million payout with 47% win rate. So win rate is shit. But win rate with risk reward ratio is something, okay? Okay, guys, get ready. Okay, I'm gonna boom my stop loss to break even right now, because price passed this CB, so I think it's safe to move the stop loss to break even. And even if price go back to hit it, I will still say it's worth it, because like this is the area that I should move my stop loss to break even. If I want to, because I am so crazy for a winning trade and don't care about my capital, my risk, I mean, for in the long term, I will lose more. Like this kind of trading habit is saving me, saving myself, saving my life. Yeah, some people can't even do live stream trading. They just post some Photoshop payout receipt and talking shit on social media, and they will get views. I mean, that's how they do, right? Because they can't do trading, so they have to go to another route, do another thing to get views. But here we do trading only, okay? Only do live stream. Take partial. Remember, if you're in this trade, please take partial, for real. I don't care if eventually I'll get into break even. I'm okay with that. But if you for example, you got rents to pay, you got mortgage, you got your kids' tuition fees to pay, take partial, right? Take partial. Or you can close the whole position earlier. It's okay. I mean, you're winning, right? So you can literally just close the position. No problem with that. Is Ninja Trader restricted in some countries? I think so. I think so. Why did you stop live trading like you used to? What do you mean? I'm live trading right now. What do you mean? It's a funder account. It's a funder account. Which is connecting to my Tradify and also my TPT account right now. So I'm trading with free platforms using a third-party trade copier called Replicanto. What was the first thing you got with that payout? Let me think. I think I bought 2 remover suitcases, which is nothing which you can buy in your normal life, but it's kind of luxury for me. I mean, I don't really need expensive suitcases before. Okay, guys, remember to take partial, okay, and move your stop loss, trail your stop loss. And you can see this is relative equal high, right? Sometimes when I create free, price can just hit this high instead of hitting this. So sometimes price hit this high and then go back and retrace to the low. It's happened before so many times. So I just want to warn you, this is possible. Price don't have to follow what we want, okay? We want it to hit the ultimate TP, but sometimes price just won't listen to us. So you have to preserve capital. Learn a lot during live stream every time. I hope so. I hope to provide value, not drama. I mean, I'm not actress, right? I don't do dramas. I do trading. I'm trader. Okay. Can you share the cost-effective method of payout from a cost-effective method? What does that mean? Like how to use the lowest cost to get the largest payout? Well, I don't know. I see so many people are leaving hate comments on social media. I'm not so sure. Probably they don't like trading content, I guess. They don't want education value content. Because it's not fun. We all know, like, my live stream is not that fun, right? I'm not Pete up. I'm not Patrick Wilden or those like funny trader, funny live streamers. I try to be, but like I didn't even turn on my camera. It means I don't really care about that. How many years have you been doing ICT? So I learned ICT concept. I mean, I found ICT in 2022. Okay, just a few points. We go back to the trade first. 2 point. 2 point left. Guys, remember to take partial. We will see if we really can get to my ultimate TP or I will get a break even. Who knows? Who knows? It's possible. I mean, I think I tried it so many times that there's 1 point or 2 points to my TP and then price we chase. have you ever experienced something like that? Because I've been there so many times. So it's essential to move your stop loss to break even. Chat, you know what to do right now? Chat, do you know what to do right now? Chat, do you see that? We need W. We need W in the chat. Give me W. Hey guys, we need a lot of W on the chat. All over the chat, please. See? That's what a trader do. We trade and we take winning trades. See? No bullshit, no trash talk, just trade. Yeah. Who took this trade with me? Who took this winning trade with me? Tell me. Show me your hand. You took it? Still holding. Alright, still holding. You take partial or move your stop loss to break even, alright? Congrats for anyone who took the same trade. You're a winning trader today. So let's see how much I made. Okay, I will. Let me take a look. Okay, here. I want because on Fundanex account, my full name is showing on the Fundanex account, so I want to hide it. Okay. So this is I got 5 TradeFi accounts, 6 Fundanex account, and I actually got 5 the TBT account, but 2 of them are on hold because the TBT support is having vacation. I mean, since last week they said they're gonna activate it, but still not yet activate. So it's only 3 TBT account right now. So total, how many accounts are in total? 14 accounts. It's around 25,000, right? 14 account. Actually calculate less. I multiply 18,000 only, which is not only 80,000. You can see that 25,000. Is that good enough? I think it's not bad, right? 25,000 in 1 hour. We start the stream at 11. It's travel call, right? Oh, it's 11 local time. My local time, sorry. It's 2 a.m. Eastern time, and it's 3 a.m. right now. 1 hour making 25,000 US dollar. It's not bad, right? Not bad. Yeah, because people think I'm doing educational content because of money. And see how much I made in 1 hour. See how much I made in 1 hour. And you think I need to make money because of doing a training camp? That is not the case. But of course, for those who can make money on trading, they will think like that. They will think, oh, you're doing education for money, because they can make their money on trading. So it's possible for price to keep going, but I think I got enough because of the consistency rule. I can make like 10,000 in a trade, then my consistency rule will be like messing up the whole thing. So I have to control how much I make with those consistency account. And for those, for example, like my TPT, I can still continue trading that during New York session. But for Fundamental, I will stop for trading it today. This is poor firm. If you have good trading skill, you shouldn't trade personal capital. I know it's another issue, like personal account versus poor firm, right? That is another topic. But just like, as you like, if you like trading your personal capital, go ahead. I mean, I'm not like stopping you to use your trading, like your personal account. But for those who lack of capital and like you're a beginner, you don't want to lose your life saving, all right? Do you find personal account worth it? Of course it's worth it, but like people don't understand is like there is margin requirement for like broker. For example, in Apex, a 50K account, which only worth $20, you can trade 10 contracts on that account. But if you trade a broker, even for MNQ, you need at least 140 US dollars. And if you want to trade NQ, you need at least 1,000 US dollars. So you just have to compare, right? And sometimes the risk is not only from trading, but from the systems. I don't know if you ever been through that. You forgot to close your stop loss or your TP, your order. And price hit that order and you blow up your funder account. Imagine if this is your personal account. Your personal capital is blowing up. And even if it's not your fault, sometimes like the brokers have problem, the platform, trading platform have problem, like Project X, right? CME have problem before too, just like a few weeks ago, right? And this kind of systematic risk is something we can like calculate it. Like it's not a calculated risk for me. So that's why I think if you use funded account, you're actually preserving your capital. So we still have midnight opening price and another very typical high here. Guys, remember to hit the like button, okay? We took a winning chain. Hit the like button to celebrate this winning with a. You hold 14 multiply? No. For Fundamental, because the maximum allocation depends on the dollar amount, which is 300K. That's why if you bought a smaller account, you can actually get more accounts. So if you get 100K, you can only get 3 accounts, but if you get 50K, you can get 6 in Fundamental. and funding ticks. But for TradeFi and TPT, I'm using 150K. Yes, we roll over. Use the new contract NQH and ESH. All right, 2026. If London's profitable, you won't trade NY. No. It depends on my personal schedule. I mean, if I'm tired, I feel tired, then I don't trade. If I'm free and I'm feeling good, then I trade. That's the good thing about being a trader. You can decide your work schedule on your own. So for those, yeah. 請問如果參加 training camp 中文教授嗎？係廣東話，會有廣東話同埋中文字幕。Okay, I will wait like until price just move a little bit. I want to see if it really gonna run through this high. So just wait a little bit more. What is my favorite platform? Is TPT, Take Profit Trade. Well, and APAS, since I made like a lot in APAS. But before getting that large payout in APAS, TPT is always my highest payout platform. And it's like, because when you get upgraded to Pro Plus a few times, you don't have to go through the Pro stage anymore. So you will be in EOD Jordan forever, like lifetime. Yeah, TPT is the best, of course. Of course, you can have like different opinion, but don't tell me Top Step is the best. Like for those who still like encouraging you to use to the Top Step, you know they're trash talking. They're talking bullshit. Got TP at oh yeah, you TP at midnight opening price, right? Yeah. So this midnight opening price is kind of essential, key level for London session. I always put it here. It doesn't mean that price have to go back to the midnight opening price every London session, but you can use it as reference, just like everything we have. So I will put I will have a trade recap later in my premium membership channel. So if you are a premium membership member, which is the tutorial group, you will have more details after the live stream. Take Profit Trader, TPT. Take Profit Trader.遲咗入嚟，你 miss 咗精彩嘅環節。Well, FTMO is CFD, isn't it? The spread on FTMO is too large, I would say too large. 有咩花生？有 winning trade 咯，啱啱有個 winning trade miss 咗。No, 唔係移民，冇移民到。Just relocation, okay? Relocation is different from immigration, not immigrate. Yeah, immigration. 你睇翻 repay。 If you break this high, it's going to be awesome. Yeah, probably. Also, I want to talk about why I chose to TP here instead of TP here, midnight opening price, or here. Well, first thing, I got a consistency rule, so I can make too much on those accounts. And the second thing is, this is a totally reasonable TP point with the relative equal high. And because we enter at the low, like literally at the low, so we make 50 points with 2 mini, which is more than enough for any beginners. We don't always have to aim for 100 points. And that is exactly what ICT told us too. ICT always told us to aim for 20 points, 15 points, and 50, which is already double for what he recommends us to do. And you don't have to think like, okay, I left a lot of profit on the table. No, that's what I did. That's what I did with my Apex account. I trade my first, like in my first 2 weeks, my goal is 1500, 1500 every day. I do it for 2 weeks. I took a loss, which it hurts, it did hurt. So I try to aim for more. I want to cover it on the next day, not the same day, okay? Cover it on the coming weeks. So I starting to aim for 3,000 every day. So it's 3,000 every day, 3,000 every day. But if you are still on the beginning of your account, for example, you only have like 2,000 Jordan, then of course, like aiming for 1,500 is totally acceptable. If you show up every day and you look for setup, it doesn't mean you have to trade every day, but you look for setup every day, take it every day, and do the same thing again and again. Eventually, you accumulate your profit, and it makes it to 1 million. That's what I did. So, because I'm kind of, I can imagine what those haters gonna say, because you see, he didn't take the whole move. He like just only TP at 50% or 70%. But they don't understand. You're not trading one day. As a trader or maybe a full-time trader, you're gonna trade for your rest of your life, or at least 10 years. I don't know, you get retired earlier. If you do it every day, 1,500 is a lot. Every day. Just calculate it, it's simple math. Giveaway. I have hosted some giveaway inside my Discord community, and I will only give away to those who support me, support the whole community. Okay, I'm not gonna give away to someone that randomly passing by and okay, that's something free. I won't take one. No, only for those who support us. I will give away to them. The new rules of Shadify. I'm using flats, not daily. The select flats. Okay, so price hit this high, got retracement. We'll see if it eventually will go to the 1 hour FG or not. Let me see. So ES didn't hit this high yet. Which Copier is better for TradeAway? Well, I've used 2 Copier before. One is Replicanto and another one is TradeSyncer. 你 trading camp 完咗有 train 問題可以標問你。Just inside the group. I will have live Q&A session, no worries. You can literally ask in live. But if you want something more, like something weekly review, then there's a premium membership for it. But if it's just still inside the training camp, we will have live Q&A session for trading camp. You know, after I take TP on that chain, 50 people get off the stream. all of them come to here, look for signal, look for trading signal. Crazy. 50 people get off the stream when I get TP. Probably they want to look for losing chain on my stream. I don't know. They want to see me lose, as most of the haters want. Which I didn't. I do the opposite.啱入場係等 1 minute candle close。well, first we price didn't get through this CB, right? So that is meaning we still have unfinished business down there. So this happened and done the job for the unfinished business and go up again. And then we look for an ideal P area for entry point and then get enter. 每粒字都好似有嘢學緊咁，梗係啦！我呢度唔講廢話㗎嘛，我哋認真交流，我哋有價值嘅交流。Okay, still keep going. Okay, we got a small bearish FVG here. We'll see if price gonna go for it and get into 1 hour FVG. Hi, my market price. Yes, I do market order instead of limit order. I mean, I'm not trading like 10 contracts or 20 contracts. It's just 2 mini. So I won't have like large slippage and crazy spread for that. And we are trading in London Q zone. Because if you are trading Q zone and outside of Q zone, the liquidity will be different. For example, if I'm trading Asia session, yes, market order may lead to some slippage. But since we're not, we are trading inside Q zone and small position size, which is not very small, but it's acceptable. So market order is fine. But if you like entering 10 contracts with market order, yes, there will be slippage. Even for futures, like I know most of the time slippage only occur in CFD, but even for like futures, if you enter large position size, there will still be slippage because we get spread, right? This is the spread. You can see this is the spread for NQH. Super signals. Do you wait the candle close for entry and do you entry earlier? No, I don't entry anywhere. I've been patient. And when I start the stream, like in the very beginning, I already told that like today is December and NFP week, and we are so bearish. So if we want to look for a counter trend long setup, we gotta be very, very cautious. I would rather miss a setup. I mean, I can just take it, right? I'm totally fine for don't have any chase during live stream. So don't trade price, don't get FOMO. Patience, consistency, and what? I forgot it. Discipline, yes. How you plan on investing them? Would you put all in your personal account? No, of course don't do that. Don't push NAR capital on your personal account. Unless you, I don't know, like thing. You are fucking rich. You're those rich fuck. Yeah, forget about that. You can do whatever you want. I've already told you we got systematical risk, which is not only about trading risk, which is the platform risk. Um, you know, the like brokerage risk, and CME, the exchange risk, which is something you can't control. So it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Because if really something happened to your account, you lose all those capital. But if something happened to your fund account, you only lose the cost you pay for that fund account. Because like prop firm is kind of a new industry, like for the whole trading space. So for those who never tried prop firm before, they will kind of insist of what they've been doing for decades. Like for example, like just like my father, my father loved to read newspaper, and now we get like everything online. You don't have to read the whole written newspaper, right? But he's still doing that because he's been doing this for his whole life. So you kind of can accept new things. But it's not because the online newspaper is bad, right? It's because it's not something he's familiar in, and he doesn't feel like he have to change. I mean, he's so good with the newspaper he's reading. Why does it have to go online? He doesn't have to, and he don't want it to. I think that's the reason why people kind of rejecting prop firm. Okay. Finally go to this relatively quiet. Anyone hold your position until here? I think some people said they are still holding the long, right? Congrats if you hold here. TP, congratulations. Hit the like button if you get your TP. Hit the like button if you get your profit today. And remember to take partial, trail your stop loss. Any recommendation for trading psychology? So, trading psychology and any other things. Oh, oops, is here. Will be inside the training camp. Everything you need will be inside the training camp. And remember to use the discount code, okay? Don't pay me in full price, please. Don't do that. And for those who want more content, you can just get into the website. Because that poster is inside that website. This is like what's gonna talk about in every lesson. And if you think you're good enough, you don't need more training or education, totally fine. I mean, I will be still on this YouTube live streaming, right? If you don't need more instruction on your trading, you think you're good enough, totally fine. Just keep on coming to my live stream. But if you want more, if you want to accelerate your performance, you want to get better, this is the way you go. And the application deadline will be on the end of December. For those who enroll before 26th of December, you will get 2 months free premium membership. All right. I posted on my YouTube channel too, so that's a post if you want to read more details. Okay, coming back. Why didn't you short today? You have to watch this live stream replay because I talk about that at the very beginning. And yeah, watch the replay. I literally talk about everything that is valuable, not trash talking. Okay. 係咪日日都有機會 trading 睇準時？I would say yes. That's gonna be set up every fucking day. Most of the time, I would say 90% of the time, not like 100%. Because like for example, if you want to try to trade during an FOMC or NFP, is probably hard. But yes, that's gonna be setup. But you have to decide if the setup is worth a try. That's the key. If the risk reward ratio is good, for example, if today the RR is 1-to-1, then will I still enter that trade? Even if it's a setup, if a good setup, will I still? Maybe or maybe not. It depends on the market condition. But like you really have to be patient. Don't because I said every day we can look for setup, then you force yourself to trade every day. Don't do that. CISD. So someone asked me about if I enter after CISD, the stop loss will be 40 points. So if I enter don't without CISD, is that like what? 拥抱风险模? No, my trading model is nothing about CISD. I don't need a CISD for my trading model, which I will taught inside my trading camp. The premium membership is like the monthly subscription that you will get like weekly review and weekly live stream with me, and also a trading community, a private trading community. Oh, no, you 1-to-5? 1-to-5 is quite high. No, I would say at least 1-to-2 for myself. Because you have to backtest your trading model with your personality. Because everyone got different personality, right? So after you backtest your model and you know what exactly is the ideal RR for you, which I won't say 1-to-5. 1-to-5 is, if you aim for 1-to-5, I think it's too hard for beginners. Just 1-to-2 at first. Do you take partial profit? I do not, but you should, okay? Because everyone's have different risk tolerance. So me didn't take any partial didn't mean you should copying me to not taking any partial. It will depends on many things. For example, your current account balance, your financial condition in real life, like what is like how much do you want for payout for trade, a lot of things. But like in a conservative way, taking partial is best for beginners. And for myself, I backtested my trading model, and also I know myself. For my personality, I think not taking partial is good for me, because like I'm not trading 100 points, 200 points, like 30 to 50 points trade. For me, I am okay, totally fine for not taking any partials. But you realize I did trail my stop loss twice, right? The first one is I think I trailed it into half, and then the second time is I trailed it at the break-even point. So I'm actually trading a risk-free trade. No matter what happens, I won't lose anything with that trade. So that is what I do. Instead of taking partials, I trail my stop loss to break-even. Yeah, So how do you decide if you have to take profit or not? If you're feeling nervous, if you're feeling anxious, this is the time to do so. And if you say, I'm trading 1 minute, so I can't take profit, then close your whole position. Okay, close your whole position. That means your current mental situation is not good for holding this trade anymore. What makes you think that if the 1 minute bearish of you close? Where? Which one? Do you have the time, exact time for that candlesticks? Okay, so I can see people was going. Probably because they know I won't take another trade because I already got a reading trade and I make a very decent profit for my 14 funded accounts. So I think that's it for today. So Chad, I appreciate you coming today and spending your time with me. It was great. It was great. Even when I hesitate, even I said I probably won't take any trade, you still here with me. That is like such an honor to be with you on this live stream. So I won't take any random trades out of boredom because I can interact with you here on my channel. So will you guys come again to my stream if I gonna hold another live stream? And remember to turn on the notification because sometimes I won't notify anyone on social media, but only in my Discord. And if you turn on the notification, you will know when I'm live streaming. And yeah, here I am, people telling me that I'm not doing education value for free, which every of my live stream, every fucking live stream is free here. Which people, not everyone can do that, okay? Not everyone can live stream trading. Okay, thank you, chat. Thank you, chat. Goodbye, and I hope you enjoy today's content. I want to see you on my next stream too. Okay? Come back to my channel again. See you next time. Thank you.